Good morning, everyone. Ooh, it's bright, it's early, it's only 9:51, so it's really not that early, but it's still the morning time, and I feel successful. I did it. I woke up this morning, and that's the attitude we're on today. And I feel like that's the attitude we should be on every day. Good morning, everyone. Let me get this vlog started. So, guess what? Today is day 1 of my 12 days of Vlogmas. So look. I know I missed the first couple days of Vlogmas, and they're supposed to be like 25 days. But you know, there's 12 days of Christmas. And I thought about it. I've tried multiple years before, and I can never do 25 days of Vlogmas. That's just a lot. 12? I can probably do 12. I'm gonna start vlogging, and also I'm gonna be doing 12 different makeup looks of Vlogmas. So in each vlog, there will be a section of the vlog which is complete tutorial and a complete relaxation time for the makeup lovers on my channel, for the people who love makeup. If you're just here for me, then buckle up because we're about to have a wild 12 days, okay? Hello everyone, I'm back. I went to the bathroom. Probably TMI, but whatever. This is my channel. No text. Ooh. No text. Ooh, speaking of which, look at my nails. I did my nail. Focus on my nails. On my nails. Focus on my nails. There we go. Yes, I did my nails. They're Winter Wonderland themed. Well, Winter Wonderland themed, is that even... They're just blue. So today I have to cut my brother's hair first and foremost because he wanted me to, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then after, I'm probably gonna clean my room. By then, I might have time for some craft making in this video. I have some resin here that I bought for some gifts for some of my friends for Christmas. I'm making everybody gifts, which, side note, let's just talk about that. Making people gifts is very underrated. Like, I would much rather have a handmade custom gift to me than a bunch of random shit from a bunch of random people, you know? But that's just me. You do you, boo-boo. You do you. I'm just being extra sassy this morning. Ooh. This is the new dance. Can you make your hand dance? Because I can. I am too goofy this morning. I need to... But can we just talk about me and that I'm back? Like, sort of back. Like, I will be uploading this, editing and uploading this tomorrow. That's crazy for me, but, you know, I'm gonna do it. I know me, I'll be uploading. I upload when I want to. You know, I'm filming on the Sony RX100 Mark III, which is like the perfect little YouTube volume camera, which is actually my camera I've been using for the past couple of months. If y'all haven't noticed, the quality of my content has gone up. Well, y'all are probably saying what content because I don't really post. But I haven't noticed in this video, I moved. This is probably the first video I'm uploading in my new place. It did not look like this. I have been in the process of renovating it and turning it, like, I have a Christmas tree right now, but I'm still not done. Once I move the Christmas tree, I still have stuff to do there. I still have stuff to do everywhere, pretty much. But for the most part, it's looking 10 times better than it did when I first moved in. I'll have to show you a little clip here. Basically, I live in my aunt's backyard, but I live in a 400 square foot shed. When I was first explaining it to people, I was like, ooh, I live in a shed. Like, I live in a 400 square foot shed. That kind of sounds a little, ooh. But now that like you see it, it's really not this is the house. I live in a tiny home. That's what I do. I made myself a tiny home, which I love because I was obsessed with tiny homes anyways. So it kind of worked out perfectly. I think the stars aligned, my chakras aligned, everything aligned. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I think everything was meant to be, and I moved in here, and I've been here for a couple months, and I'm much happier here. I'm much brighter here, as y'all can probably tell. I have my own space, my own privacy. I feel good. You know, it's my first place of my own, and I feel good. I will be uploading a renovation video, a whole video about me moving and the whole process and everything. I did not record, I don't know what I recorded for that. I don't know what I didn't record for that. It's been months in the making, and I've been recording for months. And I just have to collect all that footage and do everything. So that video will most likely be coming out next year. not gonna rush myself to put it out this year because, like I said, I'm doing the 12 days of Vlogmas and makeup and all this other stuff. I'm gonna have a busy schedule. I don't really have time to be editing a renovation video. But also at the same time, I ain't done yet. So that's another reason I don't think it's gonna be out until next year, is because I want to really put on all the finishing little touches and stuff. And I want to make it a really good video. I just wanted to give you guys a little update on that. If you were thinking like, where the hell are you, Christian? Whose house are you at? And I'd be like, mine, bitch. I'm at mine. Okay, I will catch up with you guys later when I am doing my next task that I wanted to show you. I don't even know when I recorded the last clip, so I can't tell you if it's much later or not. It's just later. But I was just sitting here watching a little YouTube in the background. Shout out, go subscribe to my channel. Click that red button down below and subscribe if you want to keep updated with me and my vlogs. I cut my brother's hair. I was just chilling, watching some YouTube, and now I have to do my tiny itty bitty bit of dishes. And I realized, in my tiny itty bitty sink, I don't know if I can show you guys this. This is my whole little kitchenette setup. I have my dishes, my little stovetop, microwave, custom made fridge. But as I was on my way over here to do my dishes, I realized I'm running out of, actually, and let me show you how it works. So basically it's a little foot pump and the water comes out. Don't look at my toes, and then it drains down to this tube, down into the back of here, and in here I have a big water jug in the back that collects all the water. I'm gonna show you guys the process of me filling up my sink. Just got this nasty water out. It looks really gross, but I wash dishes in here, so what do you expect? And my teeth and everything. Then I just take it to the side of my house, in the grass. And I just let it go. And now I just let that fill up. While that's filling up, I usually come back over to the jug, which is on the ground, and I just get the rest of it out. Alexa, pause the TV. Oh, that's so fancy. This is day 1 out of my 12 days of Christmas looks. I'm gonna zoom you in. I'm about to do my eyes and my eyebrows, so I'm gonna zoom you in for that. And then after that, I'm gonna do my base. But if you want a tutorial, I'm about to, honestly, I think I've decided I'm doing a cut crease and a wing liner. If you want to know how to do that, promo to my own channel. It'll be down below. I gotta stop looking at myself because I I'm so beautiful. You're so pretty. Who is that? You're so pretty. Oh my god. I feel like I'm talking to someone because he's like looking back at me and he's pretty. Like, hold up. Are we on a date? Hold up. I'm about to order the salad for him. Like, I'm too funny. Oh my god. Mm-hmm. I've spent like 2 hours on my eyeshadow when I was supposed to just hurry up and get this done, just be a simple look. But I'm living for it. It's almost giving me like deer antlers, reindeer vibes, like candy cane reindeer vibe, like snowflake, like very holiday is what I'm getting from it. I spent so long doing this, I'm gonna just do my base off camera really quickly, throw on some lashes, and I'll see y'all when I finish. Hello guys, it is now 1 a.m. Man, I'm not very good at this Vlogmas thing. Technically, this is already supposed to be done and edited. Yeah, anyways, I finished my makeup, forgot to talk to you guys about it. I just got so excited to take pictures. But that's the end of Vlogmas Day 1. I did my makeup and now I washed it off and I'm getting in bed. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far into the video, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell and the subscribe button down below to get a notification every time I upload, which is gonna be for the next 12 days. And I hope you enjoyed today's Vlogmas, and goodbye. I will see you tomorrow.